What's up, guys? A short update in price of Bitcoin, and as you see, we broke that triangle the other day, and we actually returning back to the support, which was resistance before, $84,000. This is a breakout. This is the support right now, and of course we can break it again. We can return back to testing those lows, and we can make a channel here, especially that we had this upper part of the descending channel, and we basically had a pullback from its upper region. So I'm not surprised. We're following the things which are happening with the S&P 500, Federal Reserve, with Jerome Powell showing some dictating some narrative, and it's not that bad actually. It's just that we have some kind of a correction at the moment, but it's not that bad. I'm still not excluding the fact that we can drop below that low, right? But it will be probably the last drop before the continuation of the growth. So I'm kind of embracing that. Yet it's probably the second possible scenario. The first one is still going to the upside and potentially will break this channel. If that happens, then we'll probably go to the new high without even breaking 76K. That's the usual scenario. And currently, with a short-term price action, we have this ascending channel. Again, this was a triangle here, and most of the triangles become channels eventually, so we kind of see that happening. If S&P goes even lower, then we see the double bullish divergence on BTC on a daily time frame. So far, it's hard to say, it's early, but if price goes lower, I think that's the sweet spot to buy something around 70K, maybe a little bit below 65 to 70K. That would be a very cheap price. Given the fact that we are in the midst of the new bull cycle going up to 500 or 500K or even $1 million per BTC. That is my personal opinion, not financial advice, but I'm very, very optimistic about that. Of course, not about altcoins. As you know, that's not the asset which you would be interested before the main kind of driver. Bitcoin goes to the all-time high, and so far that is perfectly following the expected scenario. So we're going higher and higher in dominance, Bitcoin dominance, and probably will reach even higher level, and only after that we'll see new alt season, new all-time high, and then followed by the sharp rise and abrupt rise in price in altcoins. Until then, probably it's only BTC which is worth considering as investment for this year. But again, my personal opinion, I'm not insisting. Still, that's proven by history and statistics. That is it for today's update, guys. This is Friday, so I will be here again on Monday. Until then, maybe Telegram or Twitter. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to answer those. Yeah, if something interesting happens, then I'll let you know. That is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening. Goodbye.